Take two.
Today we're in Chrome's RS, his Focus RS. It's one of my buddies. I've known him for a little bit of time now, and he has graciously given me the keys to his car, and has some type of faith in me that I don't blow it up. But if you want to introduce yourself.
Hey, this is Jason, aka Crumbs, and like Carl said, we're in the 2016 Focus RS. Focus RS, full bolt-ons, tuned with E30, and makes close to 400 wheel.
Are we sure it doesn't make more than 400 wheel?
I mean, it depends on who you ask, but with the mods that I have, it's not been dynoed, so we don't know for sure. But given the mods that I have, estimate's probably around 395, 390, somewhere in there.
Okay. All right. So I gotta ask you, why the RS?
So I had a 2010 Evo before this, which I liked a lot. It was an amazing car, actually, and there's still some things that I miss about it. But I was looking for something a little bit more harder, a little more hardcore, and I was not going to be able to. Do the things that I wanted to the Evo, because it was an MR, so it did have that, dual clutch trans, which you can't do a lot to.
Right. Okay. So, oh my god, with this RS, you said you're on E30.
Yeah, E30.
So how does that work with, like, when you mix your fuel and whatnot? How, like, is it like a 50-50 mix?
No, it's an E30, so it's a 30% ethanol mix. So I actually have to break out a little calculator, and I have to figure out how much E85 put in with regular gas to get an E30 mixture.
That's a lot of science there. I don't have to do that. Okay.
But people get upset with me because I take too much time at the gas pump because I got to pull the phone out, do a little calculation,
find the center. Yeah. All right. And so you like the RS platform. Would you trade it for anything else? Like, would you get rid of this car?
I probably would, just because I'm such a car nut, and I eventually am going to get tired of this car.
Really?
But I think I'm going to hang on to it for a while. I mean, the RS is a pretty special car.
Yeah.
And this is the first. The Mark IIIs are the first to be in the United States.
Okay.
So I don't know if it'll become a collector's car or not, but it is an unusual car, and I do like the fact that it is unusual. So.
Right. Okay. So are there any other things or what have you done to it so far?
So everything that's done to it: intake, motor mounts, full exhaust, so catless downpipe. It's running the AWE track exhaust.
Okay.
It's got the blow-off valve, obviously, intercooler, charge pipes. It has the sound suppression kit on it. It's lowered on IBOC springs. That's the crux of it.
Okay. Okay. Let me ask, why not coils?
Just haven't gotten there yet.
Right.
That could definitely come in the future.
Okay. And then, so you have all this done. You might potentially sell it, but are there other plans for the car?
Definitely going to be looking at doing a catch can setup, which I haven't done yet. Okay. There's going to be some, catch can, and probably some visual mods.
Really?
Splitter, I want to do front splitter, diffuser, side skirts.
Right.
Maybe a couple carbon fiber pieces here and there.
Like your carbon fiber sticker up front?
like a big carbon fiber sticker up front, yeah.
This man has a
$220 carbon fiber sticker, yes. It's a financial mistake.
I mean, it's like the sickest thing I've ever seen. Left? Yeah. Okay. And then, so is this a short shifter or is this like a stock shifter?
Yeah, no, it's a short shifter.
Really? Okay.
So there is a Mountoon short shift kit on the car.
Oh, okay.
And I got this lathe work shift knobs. Some of these things came with the car. The shift knob came with the car. Wheels came with the car. It came on the springs.
Oh, it did?
Yeah.
That's a pretty good deal.
The previous owner had it like a stage 1 tune on it, but I went with a different tuner and a stage 2 tune when I got the exhaust done, the front mount intercooler done. And it's got the wastegate actuator.
Right.
Most RSs have that.
Oh yeah.
But yeah,
It's pretty solid then. I mean, to buy it off someone and have all that already on it. But then, okay, so you like the RS. If you were to sell it, what would you get?
I'm a big fan of the Audi RS3. I love the RS3. So I have looked at those a few times. And then I like all different types of cars. I even thought I'd like to get back into another Evo at some point.
Really?
Like an 8 or a 9.
Okay.
So it's not out of the question, but you know, this is a daily driver, so whatever car I get, it's going to be my daily driver, so it's not going to ever get too nuts.
Right. Okay. And when you were like shopping around and you found this car, were there other options that you were like, or like you were dead set on getting an RS?
I was pretty focused on getting the RS. Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. That's not bad.
So I was looking at the RS. The RS had just come out. They were really expensive. Dealer market was going crazy. I had called around a lot.
Yeah.
And asked for people to do like an MSRP deal.
Yeah.
Nobody wanted to do MSRP.
Yeah.
I finally found a guy who called me back, said I'll do MSRP for you, and then I found this and it had 2,000 miles on it.
Damn.
And I kind of got lucky because the previous owner was real cool and was like wanted to know who was going to buy the car next.
Yeah.
And so I chatted with him. He told me a little bit about the car, and he said basically I bought it and it started to get its upgrade path, and then I decided to get into a GT350, so that's what I ended up doing.
Damn. Nice.
Yeah.
So you gonna let me buy this off you?
Maybe.
But no, thank you so much for this. I mean, I love the car. It's definitely different from mine. Like definitely like the steering is a lot lighter, but like I like how it still feels like it's under control. Definitely like the way it feels. But thanks, Jason.
You got it, man.
All right, guys, that's Crumbs, the only Crumbs. You can follow him on Instagram at
Crumbs_RS.
That's it, guys. You guys know where to find me. If you guys enjoyed the video, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.